Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my another short video. So this is Mahmoud bin Saleh once again in front of you. So today I'm really on the top of the world by talking to you, and in this video I'm going to talk about very simple structure, that is let's plus verb 1. So by this structure we can make a lot of sentences. For example, now I'm going to show you. Cholo jai, let's go. Cholo kai, let's eat. Cholo শিখি, let's learn. চলো শিখাই, let's teach. চলো সাঁতার কাটি, let's swim. চলো যাই, let's go. চলো খাই, let's eat. চলো ভাত খাই, let's eat rice. চলো ইংরেজি ভাষা শিখি, let's learn English language. চলো বাজারে যাই, let's go to market. চলো দিনাজপুর যাই, let's go to দিনাজপুর. চলো ময়মনসিংহ যাই, let's go to ময়মনসিংহ. চলো জগদীশপুর যাই, let's go to জগদীশপুর. চলো ইংলিশ মেসেজে যাই, let's go to English message. Why we will go English message? Because we want to learn English language. We want to make a revelation the history of English language. So if you want to speak in English, definitely I can assure you, you can come English message institutions. We try to teach our students very smoothly. So without delay, let's come in our institutions and ensure your seat. Thanks for watching this video. Assalamu alaikum.